Morning. It's 7. Foxy came in with me last night and just kicked me all night. I feel so rubbish. You guys look so cute. What are you going to have for breakfast?
Cinnamon buns.
Cinnamon buns? Okay.
Lucky charms.
Okay, right. Let's go downstairs then. Hey, it's like 11:30. I've got to go and pick Fox up in a minute. I've done nothing today. I literally got home from the school run, just went and laid in my bed with the cats. Because I feel shit. So, it's just going to be a day of nothing, I think. Yeah, I've got to go get Foxy in about 5 minutes. Gary's sneaking up on me. I need a shower. I just feel rank. I did a test last night because I felt so crap. But not got the big one. Just a general cold. I feel horrendous. I'm so tired and so hungry. So, yeah. This will be a nothing day. But every day can't be exciting.